Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining to you why poor people can't build wealth and why these people struggle to build wealth. And it is not just about working harder or earning more money. So, first of all, the biggest problem that I would like to address is living only for today. So, when money is tight, most of the income goes into survival, like rent, food, bills, emergencies. There is nothing left to invest or save. So, this creates a cycle where every month starts at zero again. The second thing is poor people are focused to use bad debt instead of good assets. Things like high interest loans, the credit cards, the buy now, pay later services are going to help people short term but make the long term money worse. So, a lot of income goes into the interest instead of building something that grows eventually. Now there is little access to the financial knowledge is one of the reasons why poor people struggle to build wealth. Most of the people are never taught how money works. They don't know about investing, assets, taxes, and passive income. They only learn to earn and spend, not to grow money. So without knowledge, even higher income gets wasted. The next reason is poor people focus more on income and not on the ownership. So they trade their time for money through the jobs, but don't own businesses, investments, or assets that pay them back over time. So wealth is built through ownership and not just by working hours. Finally, fear that also plays a very huge role. Fear of losing money, fear of investing, fear of trying something new keeps people stuck in same safe but small decisions, even when those decisions never improve life. So this doesn't mean poor people are lazy. It simply means the system pushes survival first and growth last. So that's why poor people struggle to build wealth. So if this video helped you understand money better, just make sure that you like this video, subscribe to the channel and comment below if you have any questions in mind. Thanks for watching.